problem. Pure problem. They need to cut the drain here. There's a huge drain there and run it right down in that huge drain and let vehicle can pass over here. And they're using
Yeah man, welcome back everybody to another video. So in today's video, I'll be highlighting some issues that some residents have in Lethal in eastern St. Thomas.
I'm making big roadway wide off here, so the next when you run this down here, don't run it and run off back in the road. Yeah, right. This ras can't happen down here, sir. See it? Run them around the water and go down there, sir. They never go down now. Left them and left it there, sir, you know. So it go down. See it start run off there, sir. And that.
When we look at things, and then we don't go push where this. Push where the
Brother, I see him thing me say. I see him thing me say. If them did even load up there, sir, and make it so. Where the road, you know? It's a bad enough, so you can't put this, sir.
I remember underground then.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
That's so that could have come and
But for them thing, the easiest thing, dig just so, run it like that, and make a driveway stay there. This can't stay. It will never stay an island. No sharp. A nonsense this man. Water, dirty bus.
Yes.
So water come here, so everybody left it for you, mash up the road, man.
It does.
This need, listen to me. This need a culvert under the road. We take it over there. Yo! This need a culvert under here. Alright. That church. No, but culvert. I demonstrate by China there. You're a culvert from here. Yeah. Go down there. You're going to spoil up that road. Good. You know, good. You need to go on down. Good. Go under here. Maybe if we catch this and put it in maybe if we catch this, you know. Alright. You understand? Yeah, man. Good. Yeah. Yeah, we need a culvert down here. No, good, how make a link, no, man. Where is the good, I understand? No, man, we call it super, yeah, this is a problem. This can't run. If this water run off over here, it can spoil the whole road. Yeah. So, we don't need to get this out. Can't work. No, good. So, good. So, that was spoil up. No, good. Run off in the road and spoil it up. No, good. Mash up this road. So you need to, good. You need to get a culvert on here.
No good, man.
Hey, I said no good. Hey, are you ever talk? Go talk to man. No good. Go talk to you know. Hey, no good. No good. Just think from over here and take it in that church. You're gonna spoil up that road. No good. Yeah. Victor Hutchinson, concerned citizen of St. Thomas. The road repair, I don't have a problem with it, or the road construction. We need road, and we need good road. But it's the manner in which these people go about road. They act as if they don't care. If you look behind me, is the driveway going into a district. And when you look over here, you realize that they're taking the water off the road
and putting it on that driveway going down into our little district. It cannot work. And I call the Chinese this morning and I show them they need to cut the drain here. There's a huge drain there and run it right down in that huge drain and let vehicle can pass over here. And they're using the curb wall to take up the whole of the road to make the road get narrow. So we definitely have to stop this. And I spoke to them and they spoke to the leaders and I think they should be doing something about it. Another thing though, it's Christmas now and I say it all the time. They need to pave off the road and go away. They need to go home to the people. They have family. It's Christmas. They must go and stay with their family and let people use the road freely because they're actually occupying one lane of the road every day. And when it gets closer to the Christmas holiday, there will be a serious jam up of vehicle.
Okay, good morning. My name is Rose. We live right here. My family live right down there. We use this road. I have my farm down there too. Yesterday morning I go down there, coming up back, there is water. Right here it catch me on my feet. I come up, I say to the China them, this cannot work. One man told me that the light post supposed to move and they're not moving it, so they have to turn it there. That is not what. So I said, it cannot work because children go to school here. Come up a morning time, plenty children, small one where them people is not here, but them alone use this road to come up. So to them, say, them cannot put it there. They try to move the back barrier there by taking up the ply, taking up some of the steel them, throw them over there, see how to set the steel there. Around 10 of them come down for me, one. And start to go on. The mixer truck come and pour that. I said, don't pour anymore there because this cannot work. This I go kill the people them. Even the people them will live on the back, down to so the water going to kill them. Because when the water come in here, you know, it's a big pool of water from up that side coming up. Everybody start bash me. The man take me picture. Me can't tell them what to do. I can't tell them what to do. Work where work. So I say, no. We live here and we can have the problem by the water. They still pour it, go back for the something them, nail them up, and start to dismay everybody. You understand? I mean, and this cannot work here. This cannot work here. You have lots of school children. Lots of school children with their mother gone, town working, foreign, and they have to use the road come up. When they come up morning time, even as where it is now, they have to carry different shoes and put on out here, so when they come out here, so we told them that is put a drain from there to there to catch the catchment back into that one. Nobody not listening to me and I don't understand what's going on because this cannot work. You're gonna drown out the people them there. Even up there so them all drown out the people them. Right up there so them put a culvert and that water gonna circle right there, so go right down. And a whole heap of people live down on the gully bank right down there. People here are living at the middle where the water gonna run. Nobody cannot talk to them. They say I work, them I work. So I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what to do. Understand? Yeah. Just like that.
So the drain that he was referring to just before now is this one that you see on the bottom left of the screen, and you can see the channel system that is coming from up the road on the left hand side same way, and how it channels down into the community that is located on the left hand side. I'm not sure as to what the name of that community. Also, for the persons who do not know, this is a slope. So right here you can kind of see the community on the top left of the screen and two vehicles coming out now onto the main road. So you know you cannot have the water channel channeling the water down into that community. As the residents were saying, just continue the channel system into the U drain and build something to cover the drain so that vehicle can drive in and out of the community instead of flooding them out. Next, I'll be heading into Port Moran to show you or highlight some of the issues that the residents have along that section of the work that is being done. And this driving video is still in Lethal. It's just up the road from where we were standing. Up on top of this hill on the left would be the Lethal Cemetery. So as you step off that cliffside, you would be on the main road. Yeah man, so now we're heading towards Portmore, but I'm just showing you some of the stuff that are going on currently along this section. So now we're in Portmore, and when we came we saw that there were light posts on the ground and also light wires and cable wires. What we heard that it was a truck, one of the tractor trailers, that got caught in it and snagged the wires and causing it to tilt some of the light posts and leave the wires hanging. And another truck now come and got caught in it and draw down the light post. You can see one of the light posts tilting down there. Also you can see a lot of wires on the ground currently.
This is the mall itself, it's a mall river, this, you know.
Yeah, you know, this is drop the gate now. Drop the gate, let the public come out. Yeah, my name is Mr. White, Portmore, and since the road been fixing, it's peer problem. Peer problem with the shop, the business place cannot sell because nobody want to come here because the mud mall and so on. When the rainfall is pure peke, meke. Even the trend right there is pure problem. Pure problem. So problem we having. We can't walk, I can't go in my yard, I can't come out of my yard through the mud and the mall. Right? And the China they no business. Right? Because we talk to them and they says road ain't come to fix, not anymore. More than road. No help. You understand? Yes, sir.
Since last night I hear about light pole down.
Yes,
What happened?
yes. A trailer truck was coming from the opposite direction here, and the truck, the container part of it hook the light wire on the light post because the light post was falling down, right? And he hook it and dry it, and so because of that, 2 or 3 posts fell down and caused the light to go out. So we don't have any light now. No water, no light, nothing at all we don't have around here. Right here is a mall, come off of the road and coming at the train. The whole of the train from here to go right to the back, black up. And when the rain fall, the water come in my yard, I can't walk in my back of my yard. Over this neighbor yard, this pure water and mud. It's a problem, real problem.
Port Morant, right at Lethal. Of Port Morant, right at Lethal. The road is in a bad condition. Look at the road. I have a business place here, which is a bar, and it have to close down for weeks because of the road. Look in front of it. I cannot come from over my yard. I live right over there, and I cannot come out. When I come out, the whole place muddied. Me have to carry mall from over there to over here to chew at the business place. When me look again, me have to carry mall from up there so to block off the road. Block off the water, excuse me, the water to come over in my yard and the business place. As you can see, me I pay one bartender $15,000 a week. And see, there no money to pay the bartender. The bar is closed. So me can't understand this. See there, me I go step and I wear down in the water, me a step. Nobody not coming here to buy anything or to stop at my business place. That's unfair to me. That's unfair to me. It's also unfair for me to come out of my home when me put on my clothes to go out and me can't step this. Look. Oh, no, look. Me want to see it. And what them a do. Me not understand what they're doing. We want the road to fix, yes. But you have to make preparation, a better preparation for the business place or for residents that they can come out of their home. Look, I'll slide way there and drop round here and lick me knee. Me have to end up a doctor right in there, so me slide and drop. So me no know what I go do about it around here. So because it wasn't like that. Honestly, it wasn't like that. Me drop right in at this and lick me knee, end up a doctor. Yeah.
dig it out and bank it up, and the water from the mountain fall, and then it overflow on the road, and wash up the whole lot. Yeah.